Yes, from the last election on, I'm talking about 2022, the situation of the human rights in Brazil have completely changed. We don't have anymore that kind of government against human rights as we had during the last 4 years. The last government implemented, as you know, regulation on weapons, allowing an abusive increase of weapons in the possession of the population. And, well, he managed to reduce the protection against torture. Bolsonaro legislated against the national mechanism for the protection of torture that was as you know, that has an origin in international law. Bolsonaro released illegal mining, illegal deforestation, invasion of indigenous lands, drastic reduction in the protection of indigenous peoples, indigenous quilombolas and riverside peoples, all poor people. The new government under Lula could stop this setback and others. Okay, so, but as you know, and we have to understand that if Brazil may not be considered a poor country, it is an unfair and unequal country that has a large contingent of poor people. We are talking about almost 40 million living in extreme poverty. This reality of poverty experienced by the most dependent people, and we are in the 21st century, is alarming. So, poverty and inequality has limited the enjoyment of human rights and their effective access to justice. So we have a very different situation from the last 4 years, but we have to deal with poverty and inequality, limit the access to human rights.